Hi, and welcome to Yarnit. Today, I'll guide you through Yarnit's Campaign Builder feature. To kick things off, simply head to the left sidebar and spot the campaign icon. A quick click on that and you'll be right on your campaign dashboard. Here, you'll be able to view all the campaigns you've launched to date. To initiate a new campaign, just hit the Start Campaign button and provide a few insights about your campaign concept. For this demo, let's say we're going with a rebranding campaign. I'm selecting that option. Now, let's dive into the branding campaign. Suppose we want to tailor it for Yarnit. The brand personality should resonate with Yarnit. I'll go ahead and input Yarnit's brand voice here. Plus, you can attach any additional documents you have using the Attach feature. Next up, decide on your content mix. For instance, we might opt for 6-8 blogs and 2 case study articles. You can easily add more by clicking the Add New button. Let's say we want to include a carousel too. Mentioning the campaign timeline here helps our agents determine the optimal posting time for each piece of content. As you can observe, we have the blogs, case study articles, and social posts ready as per your request. Here, you have the option to select them all and generate them collectively. By clicking on Generate 12 items, you'll generate everything at once. Alternatively, you can explore a detailed view of each, revealing outlines for each piece, any attached documents, and a few keywords that the blog will target. Feel free to tweak this prompt, it's fully editable, or enhance it with the Improve It button. For social posts, you'll get a clearer picture of the visuals in use, whether they're your brand templates or Yarnit's. Again, the brief is customizable to fit your needs. Once everything is set, you can generate the content. You'll have a month's worth of content, complete with a campaign plan and status, ready at the click of a button. That's about Yarnit's Campaign Builder.